arrested.
Yeah, you're gonna be arrested.
I'm gonna be arrested?
I'm gonna go to police. Are you? I'm going to police.
Do you?
No. No.
Do you want her in here?
I want you to call Sumner County.
She doesn't want you in here. Leave right now.
You gotta go.
You're trespassing.
Sorry.
Can I use your phone?
No. We don't have a public phone.
I'm going to give you an opportunity to leave, and you can walk away, or I'm going to arrest you.
You already arrested my family, and you're under charge for.
I have no idea who your family are. I have no idea who you are.
You don't know me either. Why would you cut to me?
Are you going to leave? Yes or no?
I want his phone number to the police. I'm calling the police on you. Where you from? What's your badge? What's your number? Write it down. Write it the fuck down. I'm under arrest.
You just put your hands on me. Assault.
Assault. I asked you your number.
You can't push law enforcement officer, ma'am. Shouldn't that?
Call my fucking PO. Can you fucking prosecute him? No. Look at my bag. Motherfucker. Man, did you get my bag?
14 and radio.
Man.
Shit, I'm taking her into custody.
Fuck you, don't touch my shit. You ain't touching my shit. Oh, you about to get
14 Jews by you in custody.
quit throwing me around.
Yeah, I'm taking custody.
No, stop. Stop. You always arrest me what?
Copy. Any of you can bring go over with him.
Ma'am?
Call him, please don't call him. Stop. You please already arrested.
Ma'am?
Oh, you arrested already.
Ma'am, listen.
41 or 20. Either of you
Ma'am.
go break freeze over with 14.
Stop.
Why don't you send a squad up here? This may be a mental condition.
Fuck you.
Okay.
You.
Ma'am?
Stop pulling on me.
Okay, I'm gonna have a squad check you out, okay?
You're going to jail, bitch.
I'm going to jail?
You're going to jail, bitch.
You gonna arrest me?
Yeah, bitch.
Okay.
Fuck you.
Okay.
My God.
You're what?
You're about to go to jail, bitch.
Okay.
Get me up.
No, you're gonna stay here.
No, you're not pushing me down.
63 radio.
Oh, you're not pushing me down.
I'm not pushing you down, but you're gonna stay here.
Alright, that tow truck that was supposed to be here half an hour ago just called and said it's gonna be another hour. Send Riches. She's getting towed to her residence. She has money, okay?
Get the fuck off me.
Okay, you just hang tight, okay?
Yeah, bitch.
I copied all of it up until the last part of it. You said to call Riches and what else?
She's going to her residence with the vehicle and she has the money to pay for it.
Okay.
Dispatch, she's by Brookgate.
She's a shell. Sorry, Smith Road.
Okay.
I'll get you.
Will you stop?
Fuck you, man. You bitch. You motherfucking homie is a fucking.
20, I'll be out here.
That is fucking thing.
Copy.
Put it on inspection.
Fuck you.
Okay.
I can get her last four and that'll be clear. She was cited.
That's some shit. Rocky, you arrested me.
1190.
It's this, ma'am.
I want to know why you
Just, ma'am, please.
What's your arrestable charge?
She just crapped herself too. So if she's got no panties on, she's crapped herself.
Look me in the fucking face,
That's the what?
you a bitch. Tell me what the fuck.
Remember she got arrested
Tell
twice
me.
in one day
What's your fucking charge, bitch?
For
You got
what?
no charge,
for
you
disorderly
fucking bitch.
At where?
Planet Fitness
What's
twice
your
in one
charge?
day.
Oh, I never been to Planet Fitness, bitch.
Okay. Yeah, I've never dealt with her before. Okay.
Okay.
But she's.
You want some dumb
Please,
shit?
but-
Okay, you about to lose your job.
I know.
Puppy. You gotta be on welfare, bitch.
Okay.
Welfare, bitch.
That's fine.
Find out who she is. Or...
Yeah.
I have no idea. Yeah, you can look at her, but like I say, just she's crapping herself.
Yeah, I see. This is her MO. This is her MO. She gets drunk and comes to show.
Is it? Okay.
You talking to me? You're a
Yes. No, I know. And you're in handcuffs.
you're
Yes.
not a white black. You're a that you don't respect that I'm a
You are too?
yes I'm a homeless.
2120 to dispatch.
Fuck you.
520.
Some very
You trying to play with my
I
shit.
think we've dealt with her several times. We've been Planet Fitness and here a couple times.
She may just. I just got information. She just crapped herself. She's got no panties on, so it's
Hi. Go. Yeah, that's hers. What's going on? Hi.
she was laying down on the sidewalk, came over, tried to get into somebody's car. She goes in here demanding to use their phone. They said no, they want her to leave. She won't leave. Then she started pushing me, so I put her in cuffs, brought her out here, and she crapped herself and laid down.
What's your name?
Are you gonna keep that as evidence?
What happened?
I want to know his badge number.
No, ma'am, you're gonna end up getting in that crap.
I want it's not my crap, it's your crap.
Okay, that's.
It's not my crap. I want his badge number. I want his badge number. What's his badge number?
We'll get it to you. What's going
Well,
on?
I'm not talking to you. Give it to me.
Tell her it's 14. Tell her it's 14.
It's 14.
I don't give a shit. I'm a fucking
20.
bye.
That came back to a 35-year-old male.
Ugh. All that stuff was hers.
7888798.
No, we didn't go through that. Have you guys ever dealt with her before?
They
Or?
returned to Marion Holland. Out of Alliance, 47-year-old female. She is DUI.
You women, you need to get his badge number.
It's 14.
No, if he's a SWAT,
The first for me.
I want you to fucking no fucking. I already got a case against you.
Yeah?
If you don't get his fucking face, you're fucking gone.
Alright, I'm gone then.
Really? That over here is trying to fight.
Hey! Watch it out.
Check our systems, please. I think we've had several dealings with her at our Planet Fitness in our city. I was to make sure it's the same person.
That's fine.
Okay, bye.
Here we go.
Alright.
Here we go. Arrest me, arrest me. Arrest me. Oh.
She's not showing in our history, funny.
He has it, I think.
Arrest me, please. Oh, can you please arrest me? Sorry, sugar on it. He's trying to botch you. That got me to go to hell. Go to hell.
Hold on. Hey, let's not say that. How about that?
I mean, her BMW kind of looks like her, but I
33 dispatch.
don't know if it's the years of alcoholism or what. She don't look like a BMW.
You guys have anything?
What terminal you at?
Pardon me?
Do you guys have anything left to do with her?
No, I mean I think that we're just gonna do a. I don't think we're not gonna charge. She's something wrong. with
We're
her.
gonna go to Southwest.
Okay.
You know what a CSO is?
What? All right, we're gonna stand up.
No, stop.
We're
Can you
standing
stand up?
Marianne?
Stop touching me.
We're standing up.
I
I guess that's her. We've dealt with
You
this.
better come over. You
She
fucking
had the same
swear
purse
word.
last time.
Okay.
Remember she said she got robbed? Remember
I remember they called, but I wasn't on her. Okay.
getting your purse.
She was spitting earlier too, so be careful. There she goes again.
I know it's not nothing on you. I got the gist of our failure.
Okay, we're not doing that spitting shit.
It's not on you, officer. It's nothing to do.
All right, you need
Officer,
to sit back first. Just relax,
oh,
okay?
that's my purse.
We'll get your purse, okay?
Oh,
We're not
really?
leaving it.
Really? You got
Yes.
myself?
Bring your purse.
Liar. Liar.